Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today's video is going to be a deep clean of my living room. So I live in an apartment, so here, right here beside me is the living room, back there is the kitchen, and over here is the dining slash playroom slash changing room for Ava. But I'm just going to concentrate on this area here, which is our living room. I recently, or should I say Robert recently, 2 weeks ago, cleaned our carpets. So that part of the deep clean is done. So we have cleaned our carpets, but I have a whole list of things that I need to do. First being clean the windows because Ava slobbers all over them and puts her handprints all over them. Clean the skirting boards or baseboards, wherever you're from. The TV and the TV stand needs a good cleaning. The couches and inside the couches need cleaning. Pull the couches back, hoover all in there, and just hoover the general area. And the coffee table needs a good disinfecting as well, and that is basically my routine in here. So without further ado, welcome to today's video. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new.
carry the world upon your shoulders, for I'm not the only one. How could you look behind now when everything is done? Oh, you carry the world upon your shoulders, for I'm not the only one. How could you look behind now when everything is done? I'm so hot.